Student, you all are fine? Good. So for online teaching for the session 2020-21, in front of you myself Vandana Verma. So let us see children class 3 English lesson 1, the happy old man. Earlier I read or explain the first page, so let us move to the second page, children. First of all, I read the second page of this lesson. The old man looked up and answered, "Yes, Your Majesty, I am planting some mango sapling. These saplings will bear fruit when they grow big. But these saplings will take a long time to grow into big trees," said the king. "Yes, they will be big trees in about 8 to 10 years. They will give fruits," then said the old man. "But you are very old now. Do you think you will be alive to enjoy the fruits of these trees?" asked the king. The old man smiled and answered, "Your Majesty, I know that I will not live to eat the fruit of this tree. I am enjoying the fruit of this tree planted by my forefathers. I am now planting this sapling so that my children and their children can enjoy the fruits." The king was very pleased to hear this. "Is there anything you need?" he asked the old man. "Your Majesty, I have this piece of land. I grow food that is enough for me and my family. What more can a man ask for?" replied the old man. The king rode away, feeling happy that there was one person in his kingdom who had nothing to complain about. So children, this one is the second page of this lesson, and the name of the lesson is The Happy Old Man. So let us see the second page. The old man looked up and answered, "Yes, Your Majesty, I am planting some mango sapling." It means that, first of all, I tell you the meaning of majesty, the impressive and attractive quality that something has. So the old man looked to the king and answered this that, "Yes, Majesty, I am planting mango sapling. This sapling will bear fruit when they grow big." Really, this sapling will bear fruit when they grow big. "But these saplings will take a long time to grow into big trees," said the king. But here the king said that, "You also know that this sapling that you are growing, this sapling now, that will take a long time. First of all, little movement, growing, then it makes a big tree," said the king. "Yes, they will be big trees in about 8 to 10 years. That I also know that this will take 8 to 10 years into a big trees. They will give fruits." Then said the old man, "I also know that first 8 to 10 years it will take, then after it will give fruits," said the old man. "But you are very old now," the king said that, now you are very old now. Do you think you will be alive to enjoy the fruit of these trees? Asked the king. The king said that, what I am saying here is that, do you think you will be alive? Now you are too old, and I am telling you, or I am asking you that, do you think you will be alive? It means that you will be alive to enjoy or to eat this fruit of these mango trees. The old man smiled and answered. Here, the old man happy and smiled and give the answer that, Your Majesty, I know that I will not be lived to eat the fruit of these trees. Your Majesty, I know that the impressive and attractive quality that something has, I already explained this meaning, Majesty. So here, I know that I will not live to eat the fruit of these trees. I am enjoying the fruits of the tree planted by my forefather. Here the old man tell that I already enjoyed the fruit of the tree which was planted by my forefather. Clear? I am now planting this sapling now which I am growing now, this sapling, so that my children and the children can enjoy the fruit. It means that their children and children can enjoy the fruit. It's not for me. I'm not that type of person. The king was very pleased to hear this. Now the king was very happy and very pleased to hear this. Is there anything you need? If you need anything, tell me, the king told to the old man. He asked the old man, Your Majesty, I have this piece of land. Majesty, I have this piece of land. I already have this much land. I grow food in this land. I grow food that is enough for me. Means in this small area of land I grow food that is food that which I have, which I myself and my family is grown, that is enough for me and for my family. What more can a man ask for? Replied the old man. It's not necessary, not required for me. Okay. The king rode away, feeling happy that there was one person in his kingdom who had nothing to complain about. Now, in this last line, the king was very happy. Why? Because he now at last he find that there was only one person in his kingdom who had nothing to complain. Means that I already found the satisfied person who had no complaint. Okay, children. So this one is your second page explanation. So you all now very well know this story, the happy old man. So I already give you in between I already tell you one more story that is related to this story. So you all understood this lesson, the happy old man. Now we will move to the few word meaning is also here. Let us see the word meaning. Dig, meaning to break up and move the ground. Planting, putting young plant in the ground to grow. Sapling, meaning baby plant. Bear, meaning carry. Alive, meaning living, not dead. Pleased, meaning feeling happy or satisfied. Forefathers, meanings grandfather, grandfather, etc. So this is your meaning, and let us see some difficult words also in this lesson. So children, let us see this difficult word: saplings, planting, grow big, uh, asked, smiled, answered, majesty, forefathers, planting again, children, pleased, feeling, complain. So these all are the difficult words, children. If you read 1, 2, 3, at least 5 times, if you continues in home or again and again, if you read this lesson, you correctly you are pronouncing this difficult word. Okay. So in this lesson, I want to give some activity also, and the activity is importance of tree. The importance of activity is the importance of trees. I just a few line I tell you that importance of tree. Tree contribute to the environment by providing oxygen, improving air quality, climate, ameliorations, conserving water, preserving soil, and supporting wildlife during the process of photosynthesis. Trees take in carbon dioxide and produce the oxygen we breathe. That we all know that trees take in carbon dioxide and produce the oxygen we breathe. Not only are trees essential for life, but as the longest living species on earth, they give us a link between the past, present, and future. Research shows that within minutes of being surrounded by trees and green space, your blood pressure drops, your heart rate slow, and your stress level come down. So this importance of trees activity, you have to make it. And one more I will give you, that you have to put in your class slogan of a tree only. Okay, slogan of trees. So you have to make 2-3 lines or put it in the classroom. That for example, I am telling you that don't make trees rare, kept them with care. Trees on, global warming gone. Trees on, global warming gone. If you cut a trees, you kill a life. If you cut a trees, you kill a life. Don't make trees rare, keep them with care. Don't make trees rare, kept them with care. So like this you have to make 2-3 sentences, at least 5 sentences you have to prepare and put it in the classroom. This is your slogan related to this tree. So children, this much in this session means that this lesson, the happy old man. Okay, thank you children, bye.